today we're going to learn about how to do some cartwheels. We're going to do one now. You're going to do your donkey kicks, same as a cartwheel. But you can also do your handstand like this. Like this. See that? Then we're going to start here. Your hands up, and then put your thumb down, and then kick. That's how we do a donkey kicks. I said donkey. And then do this. Or you can practice going like this. Your mommy holding your feet like that. Whoa. Okay, like this. Okay, let's do some jumping jacks. So first you're going to start and then jump like this into a candle in a stick. And then back into a star and then a stick. Like this. Okay? Lie down. Like this. And then do this. This is called a candlestick. And then when you roll up, and then you stand up and do your okay? And then now, lie on your belly, grab your ankles, and up like this. Rock. This is called rock. Then do this. Do your seal stretch. And then try to put your head to your toes. This is called a basket. I think we'll do this and then do this. I think I have to take off my bow tie. And then we'll put your hands up, down here, and then on your knees, roll over, and stand up, and do your sit up. And then now we're done warm-upping. So right now we can do our cartwheels. Like this. Whoa! First, you put your hands up in the air and then do your lunge position. Then you lean into the T and then you come down to here and then you just push up. I have this if you need help with your cartwheel. You just lean into here, like the T position, and put your hands down like this, and then you do this. You can put your hands over here if I have some hands on it. Okay? Let me show you one more time. The video is done. You can practice them at home, or you can watch the video again. And also, thank you for watching this video.